Welcome back to a quick tutorial on Unreal Engine 5. In this video, I'll show you how to improve an AI-generated 3D model directly in Unreal Engine, without using Blender. In my previous comparison video, Rodin vs. Trellis, we saw that Trellis, a free tool, produces models that need some refinement. Today, we'll use Unreal Engine's tools to enhance this model quickly. If you enjoy this content, give a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated. My other AI 3D tool comparison videos, like Rodin vs. Tripo and Tripo vs. Meshi, will help you pick the best tool for your projects. Let's start by dragging the AI-generated mesh, in this case, a chair from Trellis, into your level. Zooming in, you'll notice the model lacks enough polygons, making edges look jagged. We'll fix this and other minor issues. Select the mesh and switch to modeling mode to access Unreal's 3D tools. In modeling mode, locate the toolbar on the left. Under the Mesh tab, select the Inspect tool. This displays stats like triangles, vertices, and edges. Our trellis-generated chair has about 24,000 triangles, 17,000 vertices, and 40,000 edges. Now, go back to the Mesh tab and choose the Weld tool. Weld merges nearby vertices to reduce their count, optimizing geometry while preserving topology, similar to merge by distance in Blender. Ensure Resolve T-junctions is checked and unwelded mesh edges only is selected. Keep default angle and distance settings, then click Accept. Check Inspect again. The mesh now has 24,000 triangles, 12,000 vertices, and 36,000 edges. We've removed 5,000 unnecessary vertices and 4,000 edges, simplifying the model without visual loss. Next, go to the Model tab and select PolyGroup Edit. This tool lets you modify groups of triangles with operations like extrude, bevel, or insert edge loop, making modeling easier. To use the Subdivide tool later, we need multiple polygroups, but Unreal shows a red warning: this object has only a single polygroup. One polygroup isn't enough, so let's create more. You can create polygroups manually by selecting faces and using Create Polygroup, or automatically based on angles, UVs, or normals. We'll use the automatic method. Go to the Mesh Attributes tab, select Generate Polygroups, and tweak conversion mode and angle tolerance to get relevant groups. Polygroups appear as colored overlays. For this chair, the cushioned backrest didn't get a single polygroup, but that's okay, the other groups match the object's parts well. Click Accept. Let's check the triangle count again, still around 24,200. Now, in modeling mode, go to the Model tab and select Subdivide. Subdivide splits faces into smaller polygons, increasing geometric density for smoother details, much like subdivision surface in Blender. Set subdivision level to 2 to avoid excessive polygons and choose Catmull-Clark for effective smoothing, especially for curved objects. Keep other settings default and click Accept. The improvement is instantly noticeable, though optimization isn't complete yet. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. Let's recheck the triangle count. Initially, it may not update because the mesh wasn't saved after subdividing. After saving, Inspect shows over 388,000 triangles, a big jump. Back in modeling mode, go to the Mesh tab and select Simplify. With target percentage set to 50%, Unreal reports around 194,000 triangles. Choosing the right polygon count depends on your project. Ask yourself, is your game aiming for realism or a low poly style? Will players see the object up close? Is it complex with curves and details or simple? Are you using nanite? Experiment with simplification levels to find where visual degradation starts. Here's the trellis-generated chair before and after optimization. Notice the huge improvement. This process was fast in Unreal Engine. While specialized tools like Blender can achieve even cleaner results, Unreal's tools are accessible without exporting or importing models. Join our growing community by subscribing and liking this video to support the channel and help me create more content. I hope this tutorial showed you how Unreal's optimization tools can enhance AI-generated models quickly. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.